Okay, I managed to salvage the original horn. How did I do that, you may ask? Well, I'll tell you. I basically got a piece of plastic, filled it in right there, and I put some epoxy over it. And I've been adding layers and layers and layers and sanding and sanding and sanding and adding layers and layers and layers and building up the epoxy. So this will eventually look as smooth as a baby's bottom, basically. And you don't have to worry. And you don't have to spend 30 bucks. And you get to have that extra money and pocket it and use it for things like you need, like household items and food and stuff of that sort of nature. But this is going to dry clear. But the thing is, you got to get this to where you're able to... right now it's kind of sticky. But once it dries, it'll be clear. And then you can spray over it with some spray paint. And if you do it right and you do it enough times, it'll just look like it has a few dimples, that's all. And it won't be quite that bad. Yeah. So, I still got the bracket on the way, but this is a little bit rattly. I just have to put some super glue in the cracks and crevices and then hold it up, and then voila. I don't have to pay a lot of money because this epoxy is going to dry and it's going to be good. So yeah.